Welcome back to the Oncology Resident, where we simplify cancer related topics using visuals to make complex concepts easy to understand. Today's video is an overview of clinical trials adverse event terminology. Understanding drug safety terminology is essential in clinical trials and pharmacovigilance. Here, I'll go through some essential terminology you'll hear regarding drug safety in clinical trials, like AE, AR, SAE, SUSAR, ADR, AESI. When patients take part in clinical trials or use new medications, doctors and researchers keep a close eye out for any health problems that might pop up. These are called adverse events, or AEs for short. An adverse event is any negative health change that happens while someone is taking a drug, whether or not the drug actually caused it. So if you get a headache during a trial, that's an AE, even if it's just a coincidence. Now, if the doctor thinks the drug probably did cause the problem, it's called an adverse reaction, or AR. Sometimes you'll also hear adverse drug reaction, or ADR. These mean there's at least a reasonable chance the medicine is to blame. Serious adverse events, or SAAs. These are the big events, things like life-threatening situations, needing to go to the hospital, lasting disability, birth defects, or death. Basically, anything that's a major threat to health. Importantly, an SAE does not require a causal relationship with the drug or investigational product. It simply needs to meet the seriousness criteria, regardless of the cause. If an adverse reaction is also serious, we call it a serious adverse reaction, or SAR. So the drug is likely to blame for the serious reaction. The way I remember it is that a drug causes a reaction and no drug causes an event. Here's where it gets a bit technical. SUSAR. This stands for Suspected Unexpected Serious Adverse Reaction. It's a serious reaction that's not listed in the official safety information for the drug, and it's suspected to be caused by the medicine. These are super important because they can reveal brand new risks. Sometimes there are specific side effects that researchers are especially watching for, even if they're not serious. These are called adverse events of special interest, or AESI. They might be rare, but they matter for that particular drug. Intensity or severity refers to the degree of impact of an AE, mild, moderate, severe. This table summarizes what we have discussed. You can save it for reference. Just a quick recap. A E is any negative health event during drug use. AR or ADR means the drug probably caused it. SAE is any serious health problem, regardless of cause. SAR is both serious and drug-related. SUSAR is serious, unexpected, and drug-related. A ESI is anything the research team are especially keeping an eye on. Understanding these terms is crucial for drug safety and clinical research. If you found this helpful, subscribe to follow along for more videos. Thank you for watching.